Welcome to Nalla Narasimha Reddy Education Society's group of institutions, integrated campus, Hyderabad. Estimation, quantity, surveying, and valuation. I am Dr. A. Mahesh Babu, Professor, Department of Civil Engineering. In last videos, I explained about how to calculate approximate estimate by plinth area method. See, in this class, we'll discuss some more points about plinth area method. As per IS 3861/1966, the following areas including while calculating the plinth area of building. See, in construction we'll have different types of items, different type of structure projections, and different types of structures will be there in the construction. In plinth area method, types of estimations. See, number one, area of walls at floor level, ground or first or second floors. We'll see area including walls. Internal shafts of sanitary and installation not exceeding 2 square meter. Suppose internal shaft or sanitary installations we have in apartments, you will see there is a duct of 2 square meter lifts, air conditioned ducts. Okay. So if it is not more than 2 square, we have to include that one. Okay. The area is included. So internal shafts of sanitary installation not exceeding 2 square meter, that is lift or air conditioned ducts. Area of Barsati at terrace level, out of the outer walls. Barsati means any covered space open on one side, constructed on one side, constructed on terrace roof, which is used as a shelter during rainy season. Okay, one side open. Porches of non-cantilever type. Suppose columns are there and slab is there. These we have to consider in the plinth area method. See, these are very important points while you are calculating plinth area method. Next one. See, if you see, just observe these two figures. Here, say one type of flat or building having your bedrooms, drawing room, okay, puja room, kitchen, lift, this lobby, electrical staircase. See, this green color is indicated carpet area, that is inside of the building. This is a common area, super area will not come under your carpet area. This cost is different from this cost. This will be shared by others, but this is only your area. If you want buy a flat, okay, or construct your own building without common areas. So this is internal total area of the flat, okay, construction. Super area means this is super area which will, suppose apartments are there, number of the year, one more apartment. This is common area, you can say super area. Build up area means this, you see this blue or you say violet color. This is build up area. Okay. Yeah. As discussed previous lecture, What is plinth area? Outer dimension and outer dimension of length, outer dimension of width. Corporate area, inner dimension of length, inner dimension of width. Okay. Which areas which are not included? Area of lofts, unclosed balconies, architectural bands, cornices, dome, domes, towers, box layers, and vertical sunbreakers. I will explain what are these terms. You should know what are the area of lofts, unclosed balconies. See here, you see area of lofts. Inside, see internal construction. See, this cost is different. So this cost is not included in your plinth area method. See, one how generally now this in modern technology in modern construction, every for children they are constructing like these lofts areas. This is also one. This is also one. This is loft area. Okay, and projection. Balconies. So this also will not include your plinth area. So observe carefully. Okay. Next, architecture. This is cornice. This is cornice. This is say elevation, architectural bands. Okay, and you observe this video. What are the cornice and in plinth area? How to make? See how why they have not included? It's a required skilled labor. It's very difficult to construct. So this is not considering our plinth area rate method. So very interesting. See, you have to take all these challenges in your future endeavors. See how they are doing. Expert skill labor required. So every ministry will not do this type of work. Just watch carefully. This is a different item. Okay, this rate may be lump sum or running meter or unit wise. See how they are doing. It's fantastic. See, this is under guidance of civil engineers only. Okay, architect will give you just plan, but how to make, you need one skilled person, and you apply science here. You convert your science into technology, so that shape how it will come. So including your mathematical science, so you are converting into technology, and finally you are getting beautiful architectural views on your elevation. This will not including your plinth area calculations. These are separate. Why? Because you need skilled persons, and it will take more time, and quality of material is different. You need some admixtures, chemicals, cement, more cement. Here we observe these plans given by architects. Okay, and implementation execution is our civil engineers. See, this is a critical job actually. See, you observe carefully and you give instructions. You have to apply mathematical, scientific models here, and as for your instructions, that skilled persons will complete his work. See, without structural or civil engineers, you won't get the beauty of the elevation. So this is cornice, this is a railing. Again, these are cornice, this is running length. See, there are a number of different items. How is doing finishing? And we'll see some more important points in estimation next video.